Happy day, buddies. This is Nilima Ahmed from One Life Many Journeys, OLMJ. The background music is relaxing music from Mindful Kids. Today's meditation is about acceptance. Acceptance of all those things that are not so good, are not so right, are not as per our expectations in our life. It can be relationship, finances, education, professional life, health, or anything else. With this meditation, acceptance will come, and with acceptance, we'll be able to move ahead in our life and not allow these things to create a hindrance or a speed breaker in our way to the higher good. So, get ready for the meditation with your mats. If you're going to sit on the ground, put the mat on the ground and sit in Ardha Padmasan, Purna Padmasan, or with folded legs, with your hands in the Gyan Mudra or the receiving position. If you're going to sit on a chair, sit comfortably in the chair with your feet rooted firmly in the ground and your hands in the Gyan Mudra or the receiving position. As we start this meditation now, close your eyes. As you close your eyes, we'll start with the 3 cleansing breaths. We'll inhale through our nose up till our navel deeply, and we'll exhale from the navel through our mouth with a sigh. We'll inhale calm and peace, and we'll exhale with a sigh stress and worry. We'll inhale good health and vitality, and we'll exhale illness, sickness. One last time, we'll inhale abundance and we'll exhale scarcity. And now we'll breathe normally through our nose till our navel, and we'll visualize the oxygen reaching all the body parts, all the body cells. And as we exhale, we'll visualize all that is not required from the body parts in the cells is being given out through the carbon dioxide. We'll start becoming an audience to our breath, to our thoughts. Let them come, but let them not distract you. Be an audience, be witness to them, be aware of them. They are there, they come, they go. Don't stop them, be with them. Watch them as if you're watching a movie. Listen to all the noises around you. It can be birds chirping, vehicles' horns, or people talking around you. Just be in witness, be in awareness. Just be there without distracting yourself, without letting it move you or repel you. Let it all be there, all the noises. Let's just be an audience to them. Let them not distract or disturb us. Let's try and be aware and still be there and still not be there. It's a wonderful feeling. It comes with continuous practice. And you'll see there will be peace, calm, harmony within everything. And now, as you have become aware and undisturbed with anything that is around you, think about that one thing that is not so right, that is not so good, that is not as per your expectations. It can be a relationship, it can be a financial condition, it can be your health, it can be your education, it can be your professional life. Just think of that one thing and make it sit in front of you. Visualize it as sitting right in front of you. It might be that person with whom your relationship is not so good. It might be education that is not as per you wanted it to be. It can be a financial condition which is not as you always wanted it to be. It can be your health. It can be your professional life. You've not got the promotion that you wanted or the company you wanted to work with. It can be anything. Take this situation, take this person, take this negative thing that is not so good in our life and make it sit right in front of you. It's sitting right there. Look into his eyes. Don't feel guilty. Don't feel scared. Don't fear it. Look straight into the eyes. Look through their eyes. You know you cannot do anything about it. You know you cannot change this. This is the fact. This is the truth. The person won't change just because you want them to change. The financial state won't change because it is that right now. The education won't change because that's the education. The professional life won't change because you have not got that job or the promotion that you deserve. Look into its eyes. Tell it, I don't like it. I don't want it. I don't like it. But since you are there in my life, since you are there, I will accept you. Since I cannot change you, the person can be your spouse, your children, your sibling, your parent, your in laws, your friend, anyone. Just look into their eyes and tell them, I know you're there, I cannot change you, and that's the reason I accept you. It's difficult, it's very hard to say that, but say that. Take that courage. Very, very, very difficult, but yes, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, and there it comes through your mouth. Yes, I accept you the way you are. Tell your financial condition right now, I accept you the way you are. Tell your education, yes, I accept you the way you are. Tell your job, your professional life, yes, I accept the way you are. You might not be at the best of your health right now, but still tell your health, I accept you the way you are. Yeah, it's very difficult, it's very difficult, it's very difficult to get it out. Let it come out, let it come out, because you know you cannot change it right now. You have tried in the past, but ignoring it, neglecting it, it has come and hit you on your face all the time. So today, let's not ignore it, let's not exclude it from our life, but let's just accept it. Yes, it's a very difficult relationship, but let's just first accept it. Yes, it's difficult. Yes, the conditions are not so good, are not so favorable. Accept it. Accept it. It's becoming easier to accept. It's becoming easier to look into the eyes and now get a lot of love. Yeah, it's very tough. It's very difficult. It's overwhelming. It might get tears down your cheeks. It's absolutely fine. Just look at it. Look at it and tell it, I accept you and I love you. 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 And now you see that the problem does not look as big as it looked when it sat in front of you. It is shrinking. It is shrinking. The more acceptance you give, the more love you give, it is going to shrink. It is going to shrink and disappear. This needs to be done daily for a few more days to achieve the maximum results. Acceptance means not trying to change. Acceptance means embracing it. Yes, this is the fact. Yes, I am 10th pass. Yes, I am just a graduate. Yes, I am just 12th grade pass. Yes, my health is not so good. Yes, my financial condition is just not that well, but yes, I have 1,000 rupees, I have 100 rupees. Once that acceptance come, doors will open to lot of abundance. But first, acceptance and love has to come. It has to replace the thoughts of why me, why do I suffer, the thoughts of hatred, the thought of ignorance, the thought of neglect, the thought of hatred. Everything has to be replaced before it can be changed. And we saw it's diminished, it's diminishing. Now, just ask that negative situation to go. Tell him, I love and accept you. I know you will be there. But right now, I want to go within myself. So let me go within myself, and you'll see it's gone off from where it was sitting. And now, look within. Do you feel a little better? Do you feel a little good? Observe your feelings, observe your emotions, even if tears are rolling down, even if you feel angry, even if you feel frustrated. Let it be, feel it, feel it. Take 2-3 deep breaths through your nose and exhale through your nose again. Inhale till your navel and exhale, and you'll feel a little lighter. And as you feel a little lighter, chant along with me to yourself. Peace begins with me. 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 And as you chant this, the whole body is trying to resonate it. The whole body is vibrating in this. Peace begins with me. You can feel the vibrations. You can feel each cell of yours is being energized. You are feeling calm and peaceful. And as you're feeling calm and peaceful, you see again that you have become an audience. You've become an audience to the noises around you, to your breath, to the music in the background. It's so beautiful. And as you look back, you feel a little calmer, a little quieter, a little peaceful. Now, just focus, get your attention towards your breath and see the rhythm in your breath. It's so calm, it's so nice, it's so beautiful. And slowly and gently wiggle your feet and rub your palms and place them on your eyes and feel the warmth. And whenever you feel ready to open your eyes, open your eyes. After acceptance comes forgiveness. So, stay tuned to my channel for the next meditation on forgiveness after a few days. To stay tuned, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Acceptance and forgiveness go hand in hand. To know more about it, you can read it in my book, One Life, Many Journeys, Open Secrets to Blissful Life, which is available on Amazon Kindle. Until then, have a wonderful and a blessed day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Heartfelt gratitude.